If you've never been to Marathon, you need to stop by Porky's because there's one of these beautiful creatures that's always seemingly in one area, right off of the seating area. So, it's utterly amazing. I'm gonna leave Anna Manatee alone. And we're gonna move over to Manny Manatee, who's wearing pants. I'm purchasing an air conditioner today so I don't sweat anymore at night, and a drone. It's an older drone though, so I'm gonna be able to take pictures of things from the sea. And because it's heavier, it's going to work in the wind. So when I'm on my sailboat, outside the view from land, I'm going to be able to help out Bill Gates with his Google Maps because he has a problem with pixelation of our continental shelf. So I'm going to help him out.